Today's topic of our lecture is the recitation method of teaching. What is the recitation or textbook reading method of teaching? The recitation method is characterized as a question-answer session in which the teacher asks questions based on what the students have read or recited out loud from their textbook. Through this procedure, the teacher assesses whether the students have learned what was provided in a textbook. The principle of recitation method. The recitation should be carefully planned. A good recitation program should be well planned if it would carry out the purpose of the teaching period. Recitation should be regulated to meet individual differences. A good recitation technique respects those differences and make provision for a procedure that will suit individual characteristics. Recitation should provide student activity and expression. Class activities such as debates, dramatics, and discussion should be made a regular part of recitation. Recitation should utilize the appropriate lesson type. The purpose rather than the method determines the type to be used. The type should be selected with reference to the aim, subject, grade, and maturity of the students. It should stimulate thinking and reasoning power of the students. A good recitation technique allows for reflective thinking and provides opportunity for spontaneous expression. It should provide drill and review for the students. This will give the students an opportunity to master the subject matter previously learned. It will also give the teacher an opportunity to diagnose the weakness of the students and to discover their readiness for the next lesson. Advantages of the recitation method. It develops proper attitudes, skills, and ideals. An important classroom procedure, recitation, develops proper attitudes, skills, and ideals. Socialization of child. The recitation trains students for participation in a social environment, which implies freedom in conversation, readiness to mix in a friendly group, and ability to work with others for a common cause. Training in leadership. Recitation method imparts training in leadership. In recitation, ample opportunities are provided for students' leadership. Spirit of cooperation. Recitation is possible only when the students are cooperative with one another and as well as with the teacher. This develops spirit of cooperation. Self-expression. Recitation method provides ample opportunities to students to express themselves in an atmosphere of freedom and spontaneity. Disadvantages of recitation method. Inadequate acquisition and mastery. The use of this method is not adequate for acquisition and mastery of subject matter. Much time is usually wasted in the recitation procedure. Wandering away from the actual topic, this method creates the tendency of the class to wander away from the subject. Futile discussion. Recitation may lead to futile discussion. Some students may argue for the sake of argument. Domination by a few assertive students. In this method, few students may dominate the entire lesson. Exclusive use of recitation. The exclusive use of recitation method at all time is the dangerous move. There are times when it should not be used at all. This is it for the recitation method. Thank you.